Hey guys, we're back at it again. I don't know what happens, but when everything comes, it just all comes together. So this video, we are going to be checking out our July Ipsy. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I believe is what's called. It's the big one. It's $25 a month. You get full-size products. I think it's like 5 to 7. It's an upgrade from the little $10 bag, which is amazing. So let's just get in it. I haven't honestly seen any spoilers for this month. This month has been kind of a shit show in the run of life, but you know. So I haven't seen any spoilers in this. So let's just get, well, that's weird. Get right in here. So we have yellow foam this month. Very strange. Other than that, the box looks the same. And our card this month is quite mangled. It says dive in. So yeah, let's just do that. Let's dive right in. I see some really great products here, so I'm excited about that. Let's get our card ready. Did you get a little sneak peek there? Okay, so the first thing here, we have a Pixie by Petra Skin Treats Glow Mist. This has propolis and argan oil. So it's a glow mist. It does separate. You gotta shake it. This retails for $15, which is great. I've been wanting to try their glow mists. I'm just a bit of a cheap ass, so I haven't bought them yet. If you know anything about being a mom, you know, sorry y'all, the summers are expensive. Having kids is expensive, but people think that summer is not that bad. My kids eat me out of house and home. I probably pay a mortgage payment for groceries every month to keep them busy, clothes, just all of my electric bill, everything, my water bill shoots sky high. Summers are expensive, so not to count vacations and everything else. So I don't buy too much in the summertime. Come fall, things will go back to normal and we'll be back on to buying things. But for right now, y'all, I'm getting whatever comes in these boxes and I'm truly loving it. So this is the Glow Mist. Back on track. Retails for $15. This sprayer is huge. The mist isn't bad. I did just like spray myself in the lips. It smells like old people, kind of. But the mist isn't bad. As for how it works, I don't know yet, but I'll be sure to use it and let you all know. Next here, we have something that is already tried and true, and I love it. I just wish it came in a waterproof formula. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I got this a while ago. I think I got one in a BoxyCharm. At the same time, I got my birthday gift from Ulta, which was the It mascara. So they've been hyping this up for at least a good 6 months, and for good reason. It's an amazing mascara. It does give you so much length, a little bit of volume, but more length than anything, and not spidery length. So love, love, love that. It is one of my all-time fallbacks. When I'm just doing my makeup quick and out the door, I can put nothing else on but that mascara and my face, it looks alive. So I'm happy with it. I love it. Glad to have a backup. And that retails for $24. Here's another thing that I also already have. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I do already have one of these. I have one open. Let me just grab the open one real quick. There it is. See, I've been using it. It smells wonderful. It's a light moisturizer. It's not super heavy, so if you're super dry, you might not need this. If you're combination, this actually works wonderfully. It's like a serum-y type moisturizer. So I do really like that, and I'm glad to have a backup of that as well. Now, the next thing we have is something that I have not tried. It's the Gold Faden MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. This, the full size, I don't know if this is full size or not, but it retails for $55. And since this is an eye an eye product. This might be full size. It's 0.5 milliliters. 0.5 ounces, sorry. So that's exciting. It says it fixes tired eyes. Advanced ultralight brightening eye cream reduces under eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines for a more luminous and youthful glow. So now we have one of those. I'll have to try this out and let you know. Guys, I have so many under eye creams open right now that I just need to get through some of them all. And I feel like even when you get one like this that we got in a previous Ipsy, this takes forever to use. This is like 0.28 fluid ounces, and I'm nowhere near used at all because it just takes a tiny, tiny little bit. And I don't want them to go to waste, so I try not to open them while I have something else open. So there's that. And the last thing, yes, the last thing in our box, add that to this deck of boxes, is the Huda Beauty, Huda, not Huda. I heard people calling her Huda, and that's just weird. Just very weird. Anyways, Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in pink sands. This retails for $45. So there is that. And I thought this was supposed to be cruelty free. However, it does not say cruelty free anywhere. So we have this nice little card with her beautiful, gorgeous face. And here are our powders, which are all stunning. I have not tried, oh, this one's a cream. So this one called Capri is a cream. So it says prep. Apply Capri as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. So we're going to swatch that. I'm just going to swatch them all. And we shall see. Actually, all of these tones are working fairly well on my skin tone right now. So this started with the cream one and then the white, the gold, and the pink. So I think any of those, there we go, can actually work for my skin tone. I'm actually pretty happy with that. I haven't tried any of her. I have a lot of her lips, some of her eyeshadows, and I tried the foundation and I couldn't do it. It broke my skin out. It smelled so bad. But I'm happy to have this. That's exciting. You know, I love a great highlight, so super awesome. And that would be our July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Did you guys get the same things? Did you get something different than I did? Did everybody get this Huda palette? Because I think it's really awesome. I can't put it back in the sleeve though. Doesn't want to go. Let me know what you think. Is it worth the upgrade, or do you plan on sticking with the $10 bag? Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time.